back to my channel. So I have here the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink. I have two shades. I have number 40 Witty and number 35 Cheeky. I have heard a lot of positive and negative reviews about this product, but I thought I'm gonna give it a shot and see it for myself. But let me just quickly show you the packaging, because the packaging looks expensive and it's very sleek. And I'll show you the wand, the applicator. That's the applicator there. So please stay tuned because we're gonna be doing the swatching. The swatch, guys, and I am currently wearing number 40 Witty. So I quite like the finish because it's quite glossy, and to be quite honest, I have to put several layers of either of the shades because I didn't quite achieve the shade that I wanted. It's probably kind of like a pigmentation. What I'm trying to say is, when I apply it, some of the areas become lighter and darker. I'm not sure if it's just how I've applied it or something, or if there's any other way to apply it, but I kind of like follow the instructions and what they said to just kind of like shake it for a few seconds. But as I've said, I have to reapply it, but I don't mind at all as long as I have achieved my desired shade. It actually dried off quite easily as well. And let me try if it's actually transfer proof. See, it doesn't transfer on my hand. Let me try again. That's it. And I also have a glass here and see, so that you can see. I'll show you. See, it's just that area there, but it didn't really transfer. So double thumbs up for me. I've actually used it for several hours also. It actually lasted for 12 to 14 hours or even more, but I just have to remove it because I have to. But during those times, I don't need to do a retouch or reapply or put more layer on it, because when I have applied it initially, it's still pretty much the same afterwards. Even after you eat or you drink or you kiss, it's still like this. So give it a shot. I might be a bit biased because I actually quite like Maybelline lip products, but you can give it a shot and see it for yourself and see whether you like it or not. But honestly, I do like it because I like it. It's a bit glossy and it stays for a long time. And one thing, you can buy this from the drugstore and you can get good deals with it as well, when you just have to browse every now and then. And so yeah, give it a shot and see for yourself. Anyways, that's all for now, guys, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye. To my channel. For this video, I would like to share with you some of my Amazon finds. So it just so happened that I came across this lifter gloss, which happened to be a Maybelline product and which happened to be one of the Amazon's Choice lifter gloss. So I haven't tried any of the Maybelline lip glosses before, so I thought I'm gonna give this a shot. So first and foremost, let me just quickly show you the packaging because it's beautifully packaged and it looks very expensive. Look at that. And guess what? This is only $10. So it's very, very affordable. Anyways, so this lifter gloss, their lifter gloss is actually formulated with hyaluronic acid, which would give you like a utmost hydration on your lips, and also it smooths your lips and gives you more contour on your lips, and at the same time it gives you like a high shine finish. It also has an extra large wand for easy application, and to top it all, it is a non-sticky lifter gloss. So let's do a quick swatch and let's try it on too. So I'm gonna quickly show you this one. So I had two shades here. So first one is this, and this is in the shade of 003 Moon. It kind of like have a pink, a very light pink undertone. So it kind of looks like really nothing. So if you feel like just you know, having very light makeup for the day, you can give this a try. So say it is very kind of like just bare color. So that's the 003 Moon. And then this one, the second one, let me just take this one out first. So I have the other one here. This is in the shade of 17 Copper. So this has kind of like an orange, brownish, bronze undertone. So if you swatch it, like it really looks like brownish orange, kind of like a burnt sienna or something like that. But you'd be amazed that if you apply this on your lips, it doesn't look that dark. See, I actually like wearing this color at work, even though you have to reapply like every now and then, because as I've said, this is a lip gloss anyway, so it's not meant to stay for a long period of time. But I like this color because it's not too light and it's not too dark. It just looks dark, though it actually is darker than I thought it would be. But as I've said, if you apply it on your lips, it doesn't look dark at all. So this is again the Amazon's Choice Lifter Gloss from Maybelline, and it is formulated with hyaluronic acid, which would give you a hydrating feeling on your lips and gives you more contour on your lips. Anyways, that's all for now, guys, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm gonna show you my top 3 favorite Maybelline Superstay Matte Inks. So I have been using these items for years and years now. I've previously seen them. I've first seen them in one of the vlogs of Simply Race. I'm not sure if you know her. She's also one of the Filipino vloggers. She's based now in Australia. So since then, I've started using this one too, and I quite like it. So I have my top 3 shades from them. This is my top 3 shades from them. So if you want to know what are these items, please keep on watching. So these are my top 3 colors that I love. And take note, guys, these items are very affordable and you can find them in the drugstore. So let's try this one first. So this is in the shade of Ruler number 8080. So let's swatch this one first. And that's how it looks like. Now let's put on to my lips. Now take note, I have a medium color pigmentation of my lips. I didn't put any lip liner on so that you'd see what it really looks like without the lip liner. And there you go. See how beautiful the color is. It is kind of like a, it's not really red, it's kind of like more of the maroon side of it. It's kind of a mixture of a red and a brown, and I really love this. And the good thing with this matte inks are it stays for hours on your lips, and you don't need to reapply it even though you've eaten or you have a face mask on, or even if you've washed your face, it's still there. So this is the number 80 ruler. Now let's try the next one. Now let's try this. This is in a shade of 65 Seductress. So it's kind of like more of the nude side. Now I'm not really a fan of nude lipsticks, but I like this because I mix it with something else, or sometimes, you know, if it's just like a casual look, it's nice to have this. Though, because it doesn't really look very nude on me, because as I have said, I have a medium pigmentation of my lips. So let's swatch it first. So that's how it looks like when you swatch it. Now let's put it on my lips. See how beautiful. See how it looks so natural. And if you want to emphasize it, you can either put a lip liner as well. So it just looks so natural. So that's the number 65 Seductress. Now the next color is the number 15 Lover. This is more of like on the pink shade. We'll swatch it first. So that's how it looks like. Oh, yeah. I only just usually put one stroke, but then there's only few left in the bottle, so I have to use more. See how beautiful it is in pink. So again, this is the number 15 Lover. So again guys, these are my top 3 favorite shades from the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink collection. You could find them in the drugstore, and I usually, this is very affordable as well. I usually just buy this. It's not even more than $10 if you got it on specials. I usually get them on specials. Now take note, I don't buy lipsticks if they're not in on specials, because I have a lot of them anyway, so I don't really have to repurchase it that often. And if I do, it's just so timely that these are on special. So these are my top 3 Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipsticks. It stays long on your lips. You don't need to reapply. I've tested this one for years now, and I've been using it up until now, and I really like these shades. So if you want to try it on, you can also find them in the drugstore. So yes, these are my top 3, and you won't regret buying these items, guys. Anyways, that's all for now, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.